Now let's listen to the sounds of different drums. Usually, we hold the drum in our left hand, and with the drum, there's usually a tool used to strike it. According to the northern tradition, this tool is called a kiamla. When you hold the kiamla, please hold it firmly, but at the same time, loose enough so that your hand can move freely. When holding the drum, do not press it against your body. If you press it, you block the drum's power, its voice, and its capabilities. Hold the drum firmly enough. That means the drum shouldn't, how should I put this, vibrate or wobble in your hands. So, in my right hand, I have the kiamla, and in my left hand, I have the drum. Let's try to create a sound, and try to tune into the soul of this drum. Now you've heard the sound that this drum makes. I really hope that through this recorded video, you can fully hear the sound that the drum can produce. Now let's listen to the sound of another drum. We'll continue our exploration and listen to another drum. And let's listen to yet another drum. I am, of course, very interested to know what emotions each of these drums has evoked in you as you've heard them. You've just heard that the voice of a drum can vary. And when you come to a shamanic seminar, I ask that you come with the intention of finding your friend, finding your horse, your airplane. You will have the chance to create sounds and listen to the voices of many different drums. And I also want to warn you that once you do take a drum and become its owner, the drum's voice will continue to change over the course of the years as it attunes itself to you.
In our extreme times, when the fate of the entire planet is at stake, it is crucial for the knowledge of angels and benevolent spirits to spread as quickly as possible, globally, and reach thousands of people. In this way, we can change the future of all humanity. Which is why we are addressing you, dear soul of light. Spread the knowledge about our wise books and films. Share links to videos or cartoons. All of this is available and free. Invite women to individual practices, webinars, and seminars. And the Great Spirit of Light will help you and your family. It will direct an enormous amount of energy to fulfill all your desires. Benevolent spirits and angels will assist you and your loved ones in all matters. A thread of light and love extends from your heart to the hearts of thirsty women, and the creation of good and the dissemination of enlightened knowledge throughout the world begins. Become part of the mission of light. Help people, and God will help you.